Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use Wrike project management software. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The first thing that you need to do is you have to open your web browser and you have to go to wrike.com. So once when you're here, you have to click here, try Wrike for free. And once when you do it, you have to write your email here. So let me just put my email. So I have to write my name right here. And then I have to write my company name. So let me write it. Then we have to click next. So here we have to write about our team. For example, if I am handling my sales department, so I'm going to write sales here. Sales manager. You have to write your job position here or job title. So we have to write our project name, why we are using Wrike for. For example, if you have got a campaign and you have to write about your campaign here, you have to work on your campaign. So I'm going to write campaign. Let's just ignore it. So you see, this is our home page, this is our table, and this is the board, and this is the Gantt chart that we have. So I'm going to explain you how these things work. We also have analytics and calendar, which is hidden, but we can just put it up here as well. So I'll just leave it right there. So I'll go with board. So this is the main thing that you'll need to use. Let me just format it so I can explain you. Just give me a few minutes. So here you go guys, I have formatted it, and this is how our main screen or the main function of Wrike is going to look like. So you have sales calls here, close calls here, onboard, and please ignore the spellings here, and non-closed here. So for example, if we got a client and the name of the client is Google, I'm going to write Google here. And then we have another client by the name of Apple. And we have another client by the name of Facebook. So you see, we have 3 clients at the moment. And this is going to be used by all of the team that we have in our sales department. Now, I am their manager, so I will be the admin here, but I can have employees assigned to this software as well, and they will be working under me. So my teammates can also look at this. So for example, we had a sales calls and I was able to close Google as a client. So I'm going to have Google here, and then I got another client by the name of Tesla, and we had a sales call with Tesla. An employee of mine had a call with Tesla, sales call, and they were able to close it too, and they were able to get Tesla on board. So we will write Tesla right here. That shows Tesla is on board with us. And for example, if we had a call on Facebook and we closed them, but later after a few days, they were not on board. So we'll put them right here. So this is the basic functionality of Wrike, and this is how we can use it. We can track the progress of our department or of our company right here. And if I go here to table, it will show me in a pretty decent format that we were able to close Google, what's the status, we were able to put Tesla on board, we were not able to close Facebook, and we are still in progress with Apple. We can also write the due date here, and the files, we can also attach files here. I always use analytics because this is a very helpful section. It will show me in the form of graphs and in the form of infographics about my work progress here. And then this is another very helpful thing that you can use, and I use it all the time. This is calendar. So if you have, for example, a call, for example, I have to do another sales call to Apple. you saw earlier that Apple was already in the sales call tab. That meant we had to do more sales call to them to convert them into a potential client to close the call, to do a closed call. So I'll write another sales call to Apple so that my teammates and I can remember that we have to do another sales call to them to convert them into a potential client. So like this, we can use the calendar to put reminders in the future. So I guess that's it. That's the main SOP or the functions of Wrike, and this is how you use it. You can also invite people to your project. Here's the invite button. You can invite 24 more people to this. You can invite 24 more employees to this. So this is how you invite people to your project. So this is the basic functionality of this Wrike software. I hope it was very easy and you understood it. So please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe the channel as well. I'll see you with more content in the future. Thank you.